A famous U.S. Army division has been deployed in Europe for the first time in 80 years. The U.S. Army's 101st Airborne Division, dubbed the Screaming Eagles, has stationed around 4,700 troops and say they are ready to defend every inch of NATO soil. The elite troops are currently stationed in Romania, which borders Ukraine on the Black Sea coast, an area strategically important as Russian forces attempt to move into the Kherson region. The troops began arriving in Romania in June and have now begun conducting exercises in the area alongside Romanian troops. Brigadier General John Lubas, the division's deputy commander, told CBS News, "We're ready to defend every inch of NATO soil. We bring a unique capability, from our air assault capability. We're a light infantry force, but again, we bring that mobility with us, for our aircraft and air assaults." The crack paratroop division is known for its exploits in major battles such as the Vietnam War and during the Battle of the Bulge, Operation Overlord and Operation Market Garden during World War II. Romanian Major General Iulian Berdila added, "The real meaning for me, to have the American troops here, is like if you were to have allies in Normandy before any enemy was there. It is unlikely Vladimir Putin's Russian troops have the capability to attack NATO soil, and there is doubt it would choose to do so in the first place due to the likelihood of such a move escalating into a full-scale world war. Exercises by the 101st Airborne are therefore likely used as a deterrent, but also in case of the unlikely event of an attack." At the time of their deployment to the region, Division Commander Major General Joseph Patrick McGee said, 101st units have been in an increased readiness posture for several months and our soldiers are ready. They will provide valuable support for our higher headquarters and reassure our allies at this critical moment. Intelligence reports from the Ministry of Defense indicate that Russia is making a significant effort to prepare defenses in depth behind the current front line in an attempt likely to deter any rapid Ukrainian counteroffensives. One report from October 22 said, Russian forces continue to reinforce crossing points over the Dnipro River, and have completed a barge bridge alongside the damaged Antonovsky Bridge in Kherson. Currently, Putin's tactics have seen slight change since the explosion on the symbolic bridge. It connects mainland Russia to Crimea, on October 8. The maligned Russian president has threatened the use of nuclear weapons, with concerns raised he may resort to increasingly drastic action if Russia continues to be on the back foot in the country it invaded again in February this year.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.